Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother for the television station so inside the world. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable nationwide. There's a good chuku the unkubi and our ogonga visitor, Mrs. Rhoda Odigo, they inside studio. I will discuss all of the action to the one we carry come this week. But the one when we say they carry first. Now, based on the back-to-back breaking news we don't get about the rescue of 2 of the 219 missing Chibok girls, we look how government go further, how we as a society go accept these people, and what if the things we go put in place to use ensure say if in the eventuality say we see these girls, they go get better life and they go carry on. Mrs. Rhoda, could be been asked one question before we go. You've been talking about say okay, educational psychologists, people when go they counsel this girl so that for the past 2 years of her life, all the experience where she don't see, the thing go clean them up. But I go like ask one question. For this country, we say, I don't know, we know say we get professionals, so but it just be like say teacher na teacher. He's my teacher. So people now hunger, now he drive them go. Even the federal government not say they want to create 500,000 teaching jobs just to come out unemployment. Whether you study Yoruba or so long as you want teach, you go teach. What thing go be like, for example, the ones who escape, the first ones who escape, I know say they've been protect their identity. Many of them don't even dey inside Nigeria now, and they don't dey further their education. From this particular one now, based on say the girl carry pikin, I not you know go separate.
And based on say somehow, rumor they also talk and say black say she get
belle again. 4 months pikin, he get belle. Then one man come dey follow am up and down, they claim say.
Whether na a brother or exactly. Na a husband or na somebody where they ask them talk say somehow say they see that one separately.
And if we do plus or minus, she be 19 now. The time when this incident happened, she be 17. Meaning say if we check the age of these girls, some of them if it be say from that say small girl or young girl when don't ripe to become woman, some of them don't grow into woman under some kind of conditions where we say no. What be some of the things where do we suppose even start from? The things when we say they'll first start to teach these girls, say, okay, these past 2 years of your life, when you experience this particular thing, see the way when you go feel detach yourself from her, come begin to accept this particular thing.
This is not the reason why we need professionals. Them there for this country.
Thank you.
This is not the reason why we need professionals. Really, people wait this not their area.
See that their area of special.
I always say this. I always say it.
This
always say what?
Because now them know the simple things where they go start with the very simple steps. Considering her situation, but this situation where they happen with these girls now is a very tough one.
Very tough.
Not only them they separated from their family for a long time, then they are forced into marriage. Whether we like them or not, they are forced. Even if people say, they agree. They agree under what condition?
Under what
they were captured. And based on that reason, we say they capture them in a forced marriage. We must understand them from that premise first, without thinking of them too much, so that the therapy and the remedies we're going to give them go help them grow, and then she can talk more, you can hear more. Because if they then try enough to start from the basis of how to remedies, therapies, talking to her, getting her engaged, making her comfortable. Make her husband, this man, well, then say her husband, make them find out the true situation of this relationship. Because sometimes the mind don't scatter.
Mrs. Rhoda, you get one question I want to ask, and I know say in the long run, people go ask this question. Some people they talk say the man na Boko Haram husband. Some people don't call the pikin Boko Haram baby. I go the problem of stigma.
Yes.
And make you know like we know say for this our society, plenty of us no normal.
Yes.
Because anything when we just see, we go begin
they tag them.
He gets this girl, in all honesty, these past 2 years of her life, she go fit ever, with all the whole experienced people, she go fit ever forget and detach herself from these past 2 years of her life.
Forget. Go hard. For her to forget.
But forgetting normally, forgetting feel no day easy to do this thing. But at least that detachment go still play out.
If they manage this girl well, she go fit detach herself. The trauma, that's why they call them trauma experts. If that's not those kinds of people now we're going to find now to take care of this girl. Make this girl be an example of a structure where we'll begin
Thank
to
you.
build.
I always say
because
this.
If we know translate them into an institutionalized system, we be say anybody will get this kind of problem fits get experts wey go help them. And not be just starting with this girl. This girl is just an example for us where we go use. But to build a system where we say people like her, not only abduction be our problem. Kidnapping follow. All the children when they kidnap. Forced marriage, you know, abuse, all kinds of traumas where they happen to people for this country. Which system we get?
But I know that, may I bring her from this angle? Because this is a very, very sensitive thing we need to look into, address and well. Okay, I'm not what they talk about. If I was going to say, okay, now Muslim should be, for instance. And they will come also to say, yes, for the North there, they get their own sense of belief. Where we say, somehow, not be believe where they reflect, you know, nationwide. You understand? How it is say it would be possible for Amina to undergo these stages of, you know, psychological, you know, this thing, at least stages where we say we could make her clean up this thing for her head. Considering the fact, say, the area where she come from, now area where we say somehow, when it comes to womanhood and, you know, respect for the girl child and all that, you know, too strong.
The truth we say...
But, Madam Rhoda, no vex, we need to collect this call immediately before you go respond to that question. Good morning. Nelly, good morning. Calling us from Kaduna. Yes, we hear you.
Please, what I want to ask be say that husband where they see with that girl. I want to ask whether now the husband be that thing. I be na Boko Haram man be that thing, or they adopt the person with that girl. I don't understand though.
Okay, Kenny, a very important question you don't ask. The man been talk say they abduct them. They say he no be Boko Haram Jaguda people. But based on our military people, we never like the information when they give, they talk say that they debrief the man. So whatever information when they will get from him, we dey very very sure say they go don't get him and they go know how they will go about him. But thank you very much for that your important contribution.
So, Madam Rhoda, the question what I asked.
This another thing where we go look, we say from the part of the country where they come from. You know, they're shocking. Make person marry after finish secondary school. It is normal somehow, but they not be say in a big deal. So for Amina herself, having grown in that kind of environment, if it's based not somewhat, not be say the age could be the time when she marry or anything go spoil anything, but now the condition under which it take happen, and that be the big question where they worry about. Okay, so this environment now, not be say then they too look woman or the girl child from an angle will be of independence, and they look am like that, total independence as they look am for these our other parts of the country. Yeah. But of course we go look and say the trauma which you don't go through already, na big deal. So based on that, we go kind of remove some kind of that kind cultural, you know, influence or thoughts where they usually play out. Then focus on
bringing her back
to normal life, to normal life, what we can call normal life.
This issue, if we check the way we say some of the people when they don't rescue, the Chibok girls now become a point of attraction because of the fact say the number of girls when we say they carry. The particular range and the way we say these Boko Haram Jaguda people use the thing, draw attention to themselves. Even the world leaders follow put mouth for the particular struggle. But if we check, that they rescue so many girls, but the kind of attention when those ones they get, not be like the type when this one get. And I know say dating as far back as 1 year. Now we don't hear say that they rescue girls, girls. But if we check them, it be like say they never really do things for this one. Why? What thing go make this particular girl now? They're very, very different. But before you answer the question, we'll take Onyeka. Onyeka, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Okay, Onyeka, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Onyeka, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
Okay, I beg. You get question why I want to ask about this Chibok rescued Chibok girl. Why is it that everything concerning this Chibok something or every information that Nigerians cannot keep it to themselves? These Boko Haram, they are not fools. They're also hearing you. If you say that you have useful information about them, they can also relocate wherever they are.
True.
Also, they are not fools. I think we should learn how to manage information. by the time you let all this information out, they also have syndicates around that they
Yes,
speak to you.
yes.
They read our paper,
Very,
they
very
do
true.
and so on. That
Very
is
true.
the advice I want to give to this government. In short, I'll call them confused government.
Very true. Oga
Disturbing
Onyeka,
government.
thank you very much
Thank
for
you
that
very,
your
very
important
much.
contribution. We get Shola. Shola, they call us from Badagry. Shola, good morning and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Shola, good morning. Shola, you still there?
I say the network no gree Shola. I beg if you want call us, just turn down the volume of your television so that the full Nigeria go hear you and we self go hear your important contribution. At that point when Onyeka raised, a very, very important point. We go just emphasize, say, go good, make we no politicize every issue. Make we no dey too quick to go Twitter, go talk say,
exactly,
because people don't come and come argue, say, why the army go come and talk, say, they rescue her. When we say na civilian JTF, na he see her, come carry her, go meet them. Say rescue, different from say you find person. But we no go just, that semantics, we just go straight to this particular one. We talk so about 1 year. We don't hear of say that they rescue 200, 120, 150, 180. But at the end, we no can't even hear any other thing when they do for these particular people.
Follow up, yes.
Oga President, they promise Amina say they go take care of your education from now till you go finish. The other ones when we say they don't carry,
rescue before.
when even born for inside there, when do everything. It can't be like say we know the year unless the government come out come explain say so thing when they don't do. But if we check the culture of things when they happen for Nigeria, we know say plenty people they always want they put things for outside, they snap picture and do everything. How we go fit put foundation in place to use ensure say things they very, very strong? You don't go vex again quickly. We get somebody they call from Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt they very, very far. Good morning and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yes, talk to us, we hear you.
You see about this girl where they say Nigerian military said they rescued the girl from which forest?
Sambisa.
Make them not be PC people for this country anyhow. The girl where they rescued, they say she holds small the for hand. She did belle. One man don't come out say na the husband. The man will come out as the husband. The man na Boko Haram because na Boko Haram people kidnap that girl. No one know whether the man na Boko Haram or the man there among people where Boko Haram got kidnap. Because if Boko Haram kidnap that girl, no be Boko Haram go sleep with that girl. No be the man where they kidnap like the girl go sleep with the girl. So make them look into that matter well.
Okay, Lucky, thank you very much. And yes, and now one of the few questions we would also drop here. And Chukwu also mentioned, say, look, say, the responsibility there for the hand of the military. Say, all they do it is all they carry out interrogation where the man they to know where the man belong to where the man be to the girl. We'll go, at least if the information come out, at least we go let.
But it will also be very, very important. Say, make we not just emphasize on say this particular one. Those people when we say that their responsibility to do what they're supposed to do, we dey very, very certain say they're on top of the situation. Our own are to ensure say the primary focus of the rescue, the girls, the women when we say they don't save from Boko Haram Jaguda people, say they give them better life. Take for example, one of the ways when we say this Boko Haram Jaguda people, they use to recruit people now, maybe because of say unemployment, hunger and suffering. You get it that when our soldier people attack during the combat them. The kind of food when we say they collect from those Boko Haram Jaguda people, e even pass person when we say they live for a mama house, they chop food because they chop well. Now if hunger dey, e go dey easy to entice these people. E get that when our soldier people come talk say Boko Haram Jaguda people dey give people loan to come join them. If these people fit give loan, if they fit give food, if they fit tell you say this government or this country when you wan die for, they don't care about you. We go care about you. E go dey easy to join. But if we those things wey we go put in place to use ensure say if these girls then come back to our society, and the ones wey don't come back, they go know say we really care about them. Because the job like say na only mouth we dey always say we need to do these people.
Hey, please.
Only mouth, snapping picture up and down, flying the girl.
Why you say this thing? Now you this in the papers.
Why you no go pay me?
I know the person where this
Why
in
you
the
no go
pay.
pay me? 145.
But I rather know the person where this not in the pay.
It depends all of us.
If like say no pay now.
Let her answer the question.
Your voice strong.
Don't do you?
See the kind voice when she dey talk about that.
No,
You dey use
I'm a
strong
man.
voice.
She's a lady. Just respect that.
It depends all of us.
Thank you.
This thing na the same thing where they affect every aspect of our life.
Thank you. I've been
It
saying
affect
this
our
since.
education. It dey affect our healthcare system. It dey affect our daily living. True. We know fit Nigeria need to really change.
Thank you.
And I know say change no be an event.
Yes.
Change na process.
Na process,
and it
yes.
takes some time. But we must put our mouth where our money is. Or put our money where our mouth is. Make I talk on that way.
Very true.
Because if we and make we just say we believe say government they work. And we know say the work no go take it no they
No go
easy.
dey-
Because
yes.
they don't tell us say the country they bad sense. That they try to get money. When they as more money Nigeria no get money again. I waiting they talk. Also, if now they try to get money, we not go they look our officials, government officials, they live large.
Thank you very
When
much.
would they try to get money?
Their own money still they come in consistently.
Then have to then themselves
They
get
need
to
to be
show
involved
us.
in
They
that
need to
sacrifice.
prove to us. Then they ready. See what happen for Senate House. They're very embarrassing when they talk about motor. That kind of motor.
36. Oh, just for one
And
cow.
One car.
Out of-
And where would they find how to restructure this country?
Thank you.
The systems we're doing inside.
Thank you.
They must be honest. You see, honesty now be the very, very, very first step. When they honest, then we go make honest investments. Because
Madam Roda, no vex. So you don't mention something honesty, at least from our leaders. Make also be say we don't make we even talk am. Make we talk am. You don't just say most of our leaders we will elect. Say somehow no be our interest and get carry for mind. Okay, we insist when they realize say yes. So our leaders somehow they deviate from the promises where they make. We as a people, we don't say this thing they wrong. At least now our responsibility to also do it and say ask questions, insist on that way we want. At least everybody gets senator who they represent, everybody gets House of Rep member who they represent that. But meanwhile, before I go further on this, we will collect this call from Zulu. Zulu, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Zulu. Hey, bless you, don't lose Zulu.
Zulu don't go. Zulu, I beg if you get the chance to call us back, I beg call us, make your important contribution.
So-
Question straight to the point. What thing we as a people, do to use ensure say those when they represent us, then do
At least
wetin
they
dem
also
suppose do.
exactly
You
because
know,
now our responsibility as well to get ourselves involved in the system.
you know, when we talk about we as a people, Nigerians they suffer.
Thank you. I've been saying this.
Nigerians they live by the day.
Thank you. I've been saying it.
And when the person they try to live by the day, to come out for the streets to fight an agenda,
Exactly.
they very hard.
Exactly.
Nigeria they peculiar.
Thank you.
And our sufferings they peculiar. Too.
Thank you.
So no, I understand. Say we no go just because
Sit
of
down,
that.
just
Sit
dey
down
watch.
and then just be watching. So many Nigerians they find organized labor, organized systems, organized groups. We go champion this call for us. We they honest too. You see, when we talk distrust is a big issue for this country. We not trust anybody. So how do we now begin to trust? It's whether we like them or not, the government go first show us trust.
True. Thank you.
They have to be, they must make sure, say, we be their citizens, say there is transparency.
Thank you. I've been
within
saying
the
this
system.
since.
Until
saying
that
what?
one begin to happen. Now, when the Nigerians say true, this thing where you talk, say you go do, you do am. At least to a high percentage.
Yes.
Nigerians will begin to come out to do
Very,
it.
very
Yes.
true.
Some
Mrs.
people
Rhoda,
from the small
we
pocket.
get Emaya. Emaya, they call us from Jos. Make the thing no cut on top of our talk. Emaya, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello,
Good morning, Maya.
am I?
Yes, we hear you right on.
What I want to contribute in this thing now is that I see this Tibogets of the thing as a political propaganda during Goodluck's regime. Do you know why? How would you tell me that 200 or how many? I have 200 or something girls.
219 years.
Then you just rescued common two, and you are sharing it to the whole world that you rescued common two out of 200 or something. It's not normal. Nigerians, they should stop deceiving us now. I wish more picking.
Emaya, thank you very much for this your important
Okay, Emaya,
contribution.
thank you very much.
You don't raise very important point, but like we talk, our focus now on how we go take we move forward from here. We go allow those when we say want they
Maybe their
get
responsibility,
on top of this
yes.
particular discussion, may they do that one. But I want to say, okay, if this girl na Chibok girl, when your mama don't come out, don't confirm, what we go fit do to use the ensure say
help am.
she dey okay and plenty go go for. We get Zulu. Zulu they call us from Ikorodu. Zulu, welcome back to Aside Hot.
Zulu, good morning.
Zulu, you there? Be like say Zulu no dey. Mrs. Rhoda, we don discuss plenty issue. We don talk go up, we don talk go down. But it go dey very, very good. Make we just focus on one very, very important one: education. We know say education no be just say this pikin go class e learn. Education also get to do with the way when they take bring up pikin, the kind training when they take give am. Next week, Friday, May 27th, will be Children's Day. And everybody knows, say, on Children's Day, that they celebrate Peking, and everything when they link them to the education. I go just leave am for your hand. Maybe you don't help up freestyle. Maybe this one be the last one. Just look at from when we don't they celebrate Children's Day, all this kind of thing. Just rate them for us.
You know, the UN tell us, say, children get rights.
Yes.
Rights includes right to education, right to a good healthcare system, right to a good home, many rights where UN lay out for children. And our country, to make a no lie, we know they respect children.
I said it.
We know they respect children.
Could be a liar. No, everything.
We know they respect children because if they respect children, many of the things what would they do? We go think ahead. That children children be like the how I go take put them now. The gum where they hold shoe, where be sustainable development.
Yes.
Anytime where they plan anything for your country, if you no look inward through the eyes of children, that thing where they plan, no go.
Because now they be the future.
Now,
I used to say this thing.
future.
I used to say
they are the future, and they will continue to.
Didn't I tell you?
I beg, no collect this call, I beg. Good morning.
Oga Chris from Amu Odofin. Good morning and welcome to Asire Hot.
Chris, you see that there? Blast we don't lose Chris. In fact, Madam Rhoda, you have said it all. In fact, the children what they talk about, where would they talk about? Now they go define the future because now then they will go step into that shoe where the parents they will go eventually live. That's why we need to at least make sure say
and the basic thing are two things: education and health.
Thank you.
These two.
Thank you.
If we know hold them well,
Exactly.
tie our belts tight, fix education sector and the health sector. But my own side na education. If we no fix them, we go continue to get problem.
Because
Nigeria
the
no
pikin go school, go learn. And if your body no dey well,
they all right.
you no go feel
feel learn.
Tell your people.
Tell your people.
No, it's your people.
No, you have your own people.
Have you forgotten the world class hospital? No, have you forgotten the world class hospital?
Oh, are they not your people?
In Akwa Ibom.
They are your people
But
now.
we build hospital now.
Now we
build hospital.
eventually.
That shows say education and health. We take them serious.
Chukudi,
Education and health.
bring this program to an end. Thank you.
I cannot bring it to an end.
Bring it to an end.
Because
Madam Rhoda don't
wants to escape.
Madam Rhoda don't sum up everything.
wants to escape.
Escape to where?
Because you know that first and foremost you were hiding behind her. Now you want to escape.
Escape to where?
Children and health and education.
So, what
You don't already forget already.
Health and education.
145 naira per litre.
You don't do. End show.
Our people when they come say, allow me to end the show now.
No, you want to say one end.
Our people don't interrupt my ending. Our people when they for us, they always talk and say Nigeria and our country,
yes.
You know go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to push our country go up. We go support any government when they committed to ensure they say real change we get for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. Our Ogbonge visitor, Mrs. Rhoda, don't talk about education. She don't also talk about health. It go there important make those when they represent us for government hear word and do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. Until we come back again on Monday with all of the action to the way happen for weekend, Mrs. Rhoda. We go shake your hand again.
Thank you.
You're not supposed to shake Nkubi.
Leave the hand down.
Now they put us for where we did now.
Now one country.
Thank you, Jare, at least.
Even your hand heavy, you 145 naira per litre.
Chukudi. Tomorrow they will go this again.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.